All right, time to celebrate some birthdays today. And we are beginning in Moran, Kansas with Kyler Jeannie Bott celebrating birthday number 6. Happy birthday, Kyler.
And Grant Beard is turning 8 years old today in Erie, Kansas. Actually, birthday was last Saturday, but we're still celebrating today. Happy birthday, Grant.
And we've got Lindy Smith celebrating birthday number 8 in La Harpe. And this comes with love from Grandma, Dad, and Tracy.
All right. Jet Shanholzer turning 11 years old this year. Happy birthday, Jet.
And we've got Bryce Bugney celebrating birthday number 11 over in Frontenac. Bryce, a very happy birthday to you.
And Gerard Grayson Craft celebrating birthday number 12 this year.
And we've got Eden Hill celebrating birthday number 14 in Fredonia. Very happy birthday to you, Eden. In fact, this birthday for Eden was on Saturday, so that just means Eden gets to celebrate all weekend long.
Right, Landon Murphy turns 21 today. Look at that one there. Nice job there, Landon in Nevada.
And Logan Irvin celebrating with his big little puppy there, turning 22 in Joplin, and this comes with love from Mom, Dad, Devin, and Jalen.
All right. Akila Schreiber celebrating birthday number 23 this year. What a pretty picture there of Akila in McCune, Kansas.
And we've got Dakota Wixon celebrating birthday number 35 with the catch of the day over in Baxter Springs. Happy birthday, Dakota.
All right, and it's time to celebrate for Bobby Robert Queen is 52 in Parsons.
And we've got Joanne Rhodes celebrating birthday number 82. Very happy birthday to you, Joanne.
All right. And a belated birthday wish going out to Martin Henderson, who on Saturday turned 90 years old. Congratulations to Mr. Henderson in Elsmore, Kansas.
And we've got Kaylee Egbert Tannehill celebrating a birthday in McCune. A very happy birthday to you, Kaylee.
And Colby Hale, pretty picture there of Miss Colby in Columbus from the Davis Real Estate Crew. Wishing you a happy birthday.
And we've got Rico Gordon and Jade Simmons celebrating 4 years together in Galena. And Rico is Jade's high school sweetheart. This comes with love from their sister Regina and family.
Aw, how sweet. All right, our birthday list goes on. We've got Connie Tids turning 73 years old up in Fort Scott. Adam York in Lawton, Kansas. Happy birthday to you as well.
And we've got Colleen Grant celebrating in Scammon. And Jim and Frances Pyle celebrating 41 years of wedded bliss in Pittsburgh. Happy birthdays and anniversaries to all of you on this list. And of course, like we've said before, we want to see this list grow. And Tanya's going to tell you how you can help us do that.
You can send your birthdays to birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com, or you can send them to birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com. Please be sure to include all the pertinent details.
And of course, while you're at our website, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You can get some great deals from local businesses, and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just go to KOAMNewsNow.com, go to the mornings page, and sign up for the Birthday Club today.